Welcome to this video from ForElite Training Institute on why data improves decision confidence. We will explore how to transition from guesswork to certainty in leadership. Relying on, quote, gut feelings carries significant risk. Without a factual baseline, decisions are vulnerable to cognitive bias, leading to second guessing and hesitation. Uncertainty at the top can also create doubt throughout your team. Data is key to building a defensible strategy. Data-based decisions are clearer and more defensible, even in high-pressure environments. Data provides the why behind the what, making stakeholder buy-in easier to achieve. Decisiveness is born of evidence. Confidence is not an emotion. It is the result of reduced risk. When you trust the numbers, you can lead with conviction and feel more confident in your choices. Having raw data is not enough. The skill lies in interpretation. Elite leaders focus on the signal and ignore the noise. Practical analysis turns complexity into clear, actionable insight. Our professional development courses teach practical data analysis for real decision-making. Move beyond theory and learn to audit your own performance metrics. Join the elite and replace I think with I know. Ready to trade hesitation for high-stakes confidence? Master your performance with ForElite. Join us. You can contact us via email, phone, or visit our website.